Napicturam na ta? What's in the box? What's inside? It's a slipper. Slipper of RM. It's a little bit messy here, but it's fine. We have also t-shirt available, bags, slippers. Oh.
Bagi niya was dati ko.
Ay,
Ading gray ko na bagi dati ko na.
Allah ka.
Images nga ko na dati one set nga ko ang kuha ko na basta.
Apa in forward mo di ko?
Nakita na gi ko yung story.
Ay.
Already nakita pigi story ko na. Kiti white list t-shirt na ko na dapat available na small tag video ka alam na ganit. Diyan ko na. Nangalam pa natin nakastapin ginimads ko na sa diyan. Kita pa natin ko sa Sabado.
Makitwining-twining kaya dapat.
So na lang kawan.
Kabahala ako naman. Ay, not for Saligarudan. Always better together. Yeah, always better together. And there is also good vibes. Good vibes. Born to be a star. BT21 Market. This it says BT21 Market. And this one is just like that, BT21. Jimin t-shirt. And we also have socks. This one, Mang. And this one. Koya. Of course, Jimmy. I know Jimmy. Tata. Excel. Shuki. Ay, Cookie. Apa yan? Mga pito.
Hindi yan pito, kulang ng dalawa.
Kulang dalawa.
Can you get me some scotch?
Inaplo?